money selling t-shirts? That's right, you can make money selling t-shirts. So let's just go in here and I'll show you guys how. It's that marketing guy here with another one. Let's get started. So you go to teespring.com and log in. Be right back. So this is a t-shirt I made, and it's did pretty easy. All I did was, as you can see, all I did was into Canva, and I used some custom dimensions, 800, and basically this is the t-shirt design here. So then I did a little something like, I added some text to, I made it bigger. And it said something like, a little bigger. And then, of course, I center it. That's center it. So I go here. And I download it. It's PNG. And then all I do is go back to Teespring, go to listings, and go to storefront. In my store. Then actually I'm just trying to figure out, I forgot how to do this, so let me go. Okay, so then I go to start designing. I go to apparel and start designing. Click sell and add my image. As you can see, the image is there. Looks good. Preview it. So it's kind of weird. And that simple, you can actually, you can start selling t-shirts. You can use Teespring, use Canva. There you go. You can make designs. And you can start selling t-shirts. After that, you get the price. Continue. Because the price is $21.99. You're making $11.77 profit after Teespring fees and after fulfillment fees. And so check out my store too. If you like to see different designs I made, it's called Design Kings. It's on Teespring. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this video. Remember, if you got it, if you will, check out my other videos. And see y'all next time. It's that marketing guy, and I'm out.